distinguished guests, partners, friends, parents, and students, good morning and welcome to the 2025 International Women's Day celebration and the Visiola Foundation's After School STEM Club for Girls Inter-School Competition.
We built a windmill-powered smart house. What this project does is that it enables energy generation only when movement is dictated.
My teammates are excited to present our project, the Security Patrol Robot. In Nigeria today, security is a big problem. Many places are unsafe because of theft, kidnapping, and attack. For example, in 2024 alone, over 580 people were kidnapped. Most of them were women and children. Many businesses, schools, homes need security, but hiring a security guard can be very expensive. Also, a woman security guard can get tired or distracted, but a robot can work all day and night without stopping. Thank you.
To you the Robo Cleaner. Every day, trash workers face dangerous and dirty jobs to keep our streets clean. Robo Cleaner is a robot that can help collect waste safely and efficiently, making their jobs easier and our community cleaner.